under Tennessee skies, chasing the sound with adventure in our eyes. The river was calm, the sun was high, trees all around us and blue in the sky. Every paddle pulled us closer to that rushing waterfall roar. Then the trees opened up and Burgess Falls was waiting there. And this was rising, the water came down strong. We stopped and took it all in, like we've been chasing it all along. We were chasing the sound of the falls, following the water where adventure calls, laughing out loud, soaking it all in. One more story about to begin. Burgess Falls, standing tall, mist in the air as the water's falling.
What did you do?
I just swam across the river.
Memory made with my two boys.
What did you just do? You know what?
I went over there.
You swam over to the bottom of Burgess Falls?
Shine with the fall still in our mind, smiling on the water, taking our sweet time. The splash, the laughs, the quiet, the trees along the way. It felt like Tennessee gave us a perfect summer day.
Sometimes the best adventures don't need a mountain climb, just a kayak, a waterfall, and a little bit of time. We were chasing the sound of the falls, following the water where adventure calls, laughing out loud, soaking it all in. One more story about to begin. Burgess Falls, standing tall, mist in the air as the waters fall. A day like this, you hold on to another memory made with my two boys. The roar, the view, the water shining bright, the kind of day that just feels right.
Not every adventure has to be hard. Some just find their way straight to your heart.
We were chasing the sound of the falls, following the water where adventure calls, laughing out loud, soaking it all in. One more story will live again. Burgess Falls, standing tall, mist in the air as the waters fall. A day like this, you hold on to another memory made with my two boys. Out on the water, where the good days call, we paddled our way to Burgess Falls.